Alright, so this cover is for Allie, and it's The Fire to Rain by Adele. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the games you'd play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the games you'd play. You would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Let it burn while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, I set fire to the rain, then I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something day, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now, when it's already over, I can't help myself, I'm looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Will it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames, where it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the